Hello Seahawks, welcome to LA Harbor College. This video is to help you create a ConexED account to start speaking to a counselor. The first thing you want to do is to visit our website at lahc.edu. Once you are at our home page, you want to make sure to press on this Online Student Services button. It will take you to a new window to the Informed Consent Statement. Go ahead and read the terms and conditions and then press on Agree. If you are a current LA Harbor College or LAHC student, go ahead and click on this button. If you are a new student or a student not part of our district, feel free to create a guest account. Once you click on that blue button, you will be taken into your login page where you can manage your classes. So go ahead and log in. Once you log in, ConexED will create an account for you. The first thing you want to do is read over anything on this page. What this is letting you know is that on the right top corner, you can make an appointment with any of our LACCD campuses, meaning you can make an appointment with LA Harbor College, East LA, City College, or any of the other ones on the list. We'll be focusing on LA Harbor College. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on LA Harbor College, you're going to be able to see a lot of windows, basically a lot of different services at LA Harbor College. One of the most useful ones is the Student Services Welcome Center. Basically, you're going to see different departments, and you can go ahead and read their names, and they will be able to help you out. The red offline means that there's no one right now to talk to you, but if you see someone with a green light, and then you're going to see a little chat box, you're able to talk to someone in real time to help you schedule an appointment or answer any quick questions. So we're going to keep on scrolling down, and you're going to notice we have the admissions office, financial aid, and I'm going to keep on scrolling down to focus on counseling. Once you get to counseling, you can go ahead and click on any little activated schedule appointment window. Once you click on it, it's going to start searching for any available dates or counseling appointments for you to make. If you want to speak to a specific counselor, you can go ahead and click that counselor's name. If you just wanted to speak to any counselor, go ahead and leave it as all moderators. The next thing you want to do is to make sure that you read the reason codes, meaning why do you want to meet with the counselor. So for example, we have if you want to discuss academic or progress probation or dismissal, if you want to discuss your academic petition, or if it's a general walk-in question. For this example, I'm going to click on general question walk-in, and I'm going to scroll down. On the next section is a select a meeting location. I'm going to go ahead and press on video meeting, and then the only available date right now is Monday, August 17th. If I go on here, I can see that the counselor has these available times to meet with you with the reason code that you selected. So for example, I'm going to put 6:40 to 7 p.m. and you're going to be taken into this new window. What you want to do is ensure that you read over everything exactly as it says. For example, this is a friendly reminder to use Chrome or Firefox as your internet browser. You'll be taken to this new window. Make sure to read every single part of it and answer every question that has a red star on it. Once you put in your information, you're going to be able to go on and press on this blue button that says Schedule Appointment. Once you create the schedule appointment, you're going to be taken into a new window, which I will show you next. Once you press Schedule Appointment, and if you were able to do it successfully, you should be taken to this new window. Basically, it will tell you that when you have your appointment, at what time, what the reason was for, and with which college you're making that appointment with. Once you're here, you can go ahead and save this meeting link and copy and paste it into a new tab when it is time for you to meet with the counselor. The ConexED system will also send you an email at your LACCD email, and I can show you that next. In order for you to access your LACCD email, you can go to the LA Harbor College website again and click on the SIS portal. Once you are logged into your portal, go ahead and click on Mail/Outlook. It's going to ask me if I can log in. I'm going to press yes. I'm going to press Outlook. And then I'm going to notice that I have a new message here on Other. Once I press on Other, I can go ahead and click on the new email that I have. This is an appointment confirmation from ConexED letting you know that you have successfully created a counseling appointment at LA Harbor College. So if you ever need to reschedule your meeting, you can press on here and reschedule. If you need to cancel, you can cancel here. ConexED will also email you the day of your appointment, at least 5 to 15 minutes before your appointment, and will also give you the link on here. So again, it's important to read over this email, but on here what you can do is copy and paste this into a new tab, and it will open up the video appointment or telephone appointment with the counselor. You can also go back on here, and I'm going to pretend to sign out. Go back to LA Harbor College, Online Student Services. I'm going to press agree again, log in with my student information. And on here, I'm going to press on Cranium Cafe, My Cafe Appointments. And then 5 minutes before the appointment, you're going to see a new button that says Join Cafe. Again, once you press on that button, you're able to go into the video meeting and wait for the counselor for them to connect with you. Hope this helps.